Hello, Sawako. Project Nutella Milk. Sawako says it tastes good, but it sounds really gross. So we'll see. I think it's just hot milk and a spoonful of Nutella. Yeah. Milk! Mug of milk! Microwave milk! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm hating you now.
Hurtful words from Mother. Hello.
You turn around and say hello to me?
I'm making Nutella milk, and you're interrupting my video.
What? Gosh.
He's doing a video.
Ew, ew, ew. It's just clumping. It doesn't dissolve. This is not what tasty looks like. Chicken! Ew! Ah! It doesn't dissolve! This is gross!
That's not as bad as I thought it would be, actually.
Sicken me.
That's very harsh.
It's not good, but it's not horrible. I think I had enough. Thank you.
It was really, really, really gross. Hazelnut was not good. It wasn't good. It was gross.